everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, and we're gonna just get it glammed up for the holidays. Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you are well and feeling fine. And I decided that I was going to just use some makeup that I bought, that was sent to me, that might go on sale for the holidays. And a portion of this video is sponsored by Louisa from New York. They are a certified carbon neutral jewelry company, and I have shared many pieces on my channel from them before, and they are having Black Friday sale, so head on over because it's 20% off. So everything has been repurposed. The metals and stones that they sell have not been sourced firsthand for that jewelry. It has been it's basically been repurposed from other pieces. So no mined diamonds, no no gold from some precious historical sacred land. That's what carbon neutral means. And even their production is, and the way they run their company down to the packaging and the mailing is all very environmentally friendly. The pieces are lovely. They're so dainty and easy to wear. They are comfortable. They're lightweight. They're affordable. You can layer the pieces, and I love this chain and these little earrings. So it's so much fun. I wanted to share something I've been using, and I think I saw this on Dr. Dre's channel. The Avène Eau Thermale. This is the tolerance cream, and I first found this line like 15 years ago in Vancouver, Canada, and I was so excited, and I feel like since then it has really come along, and you can get it on Skin Store. I think they're having discounts for it. This is made in France, and they have a thermal water ingredient in it. So it's basically a calming cream. Let me show it to you. I love the tube. Look at that. Ready? Oh, it's gonna come out. Wait, does this one have a lock? No. So basically this is like a engineered tube of no air goes back in the tube. And this cream is so amazing for calming the skin. I've already put some on, and I have sunscreen on. That's why I'm just kind of like tapping it on. But it's this Tolerance Extreme Cream Rich Hydrate. It's for dry to very dry sensitive skin. I am going to just kind of do a combination situation of foundation and concealer to help this look better. And I'm going to use Clinique. I've got my Little Beyond Perfecting. This is shade 01 Linen. Look at this guy. It's like a deluxe mini. And this is that Clinique with the giant doe foot that came out, and I love it. But sometimes the formula is a little tricky for me because I think it's pretty thick, and I think it's pretty, full coverage. And then Illamasqua is something that I love, that they have. This also you can use as kind of both concealer and foundation. This has a little bit of fragrance, whereas Clinique, is fragrance free. But this is called the, what is this called? Oh, the Skin Based Concealer Pen. So I'm gonna do a little bit of like, not touch up. The sun keeps coming through my window, so I'm turning down my light. Hi, baby. So I'm going to add a little bit. What shade is this? 1.3. I'm going to put a little bit of this here where I have my dark circles. A little bit of just some bouncing action with a dampened beauty sponge. So we're talking highlighter and red lip, right? Or at least maybe a pink lip, but I might do a red lip. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes I use a brush and sometimes I use a sponge. And for this, I feel like maybe I'm gonna thin it out with a sponge. Not sure if I already said this, but I'm using a combination of like high-end and drugstore priced items just because that's me. That's my life. I'm both a high-end girl and a drugstore girl. Cogendo is the Mani Fasci press powder. It is so beautiful. I hate that I love this, but it's a gorgeous product. And so, you know, we can't hate on it too much. It's also refillable. So I love high-end products that are conscientious of reducing packaging and cost. So if you are in love with something like this, you don't have to feel so bad because when you buy it the next time, you can just pop in a replacement and you don't have to spend the full price all over again. So the Mani Fasci powder is a press powder that you can use for setting or finishing. And it's transparent, but it also has a little bit of a soft, kind of it refracts light, so it's not necessarily luminous, but it does have kind of this distracting quality to it. It comes with a puff, which so there's this like luminous portion of it, and then this is the, you know, the regular portion. They kind of look the same, but it is a soft powder, and I am going to do just a little bit of that to kind of, you know, you want to put the little plastic sleeve back in to keep the oils from the puff from getting on the product here. So I'm going to just do this for now, and I do have like my little Real Techniques brush that I'm gonna make sure that the powder is not at all, yeah, that's good, right? So one of my favorite items from Il Mesqua is this cool gel contour stick. And this is a mini, so I think it's like $12. And it is the color is such a perfect contour, and the formula is like this gel liquid stick. It's so weird. I don't mean like it's weird in that weird bad, like weird, like I don't know what other products out there like this, because there's cream contours and liquid contours, but I feel like this is a bit more unique. I'm also going to do that trick where you kind of just put contour on the outer lip line. It's a TikTok, but then it's like if you do it too much, you just look like you have messy lips that it's weird. So I'm going to use my Huda Beauty, the one from my Sephora haul. This is so cute. It's the mini glowish. It's the bronzer. Okay. I like this. Do you like this? I am going to put on two different eyeshadows, the Sephora Stories, Eye Stories in Coffee, which has been around for quite some time, and these are, I mean, basically Sephora shadows, good price, good value. They usually get marked down. And then the Makeup Revolution nudes, but in the medium. And I'm definitely kind of mixing color stories in terms of this is like your neutral browns and this has a little bit more reds. But I just thought I might as well use them both and kind of do my usual. Got just a fluffy lid brush, and I'm gonna go into this Olay shade because it's just kind of a medium brown, and this will be my, kind of gonna lay down the law. You know what I mean. Lay down the olé, which is olé as in milk in French, not olé like yay in Spanish. So now I'm gonna go in with this guy, and I'm gonna use this shade right here with a smaller brush for, I don't know, I just like that it's a little bit smaller. Just gonna go in this right here. I'm actually gonna go in this pink shade because I'm gonna pull sort of the way my sweater is, right? Why not? And I'm going to go above the crease, but not all the way up to my eyebrow, but just like I want a hair, a hint of this pink shade right there. Did Bob Ross paint with just one color? No. Pixie, these liners, these eyeliners, Silky Eye Pen, oh, they're so good. I'm gonna do my tight line with them. Okay. Can we talk about this Jouer little mini dip? It is their holiday eyeshadow palette, and it is the foil, the skinny dip foils in a mini. I mean, look at the perfection of this palette. You can have sparkly beautiful for, you know, fun, festive, or you can just do like neutral. It's so perfect. I'm going to take the shade Skinny Dip, and I am going to take my finger in it. It's this gold, here, I'll swatch it for you. Look at that. Look at what, it is such a metallic, just like molten finish. So pretty. Okay. Oh, maybe I want bikini. I can't decide. Okay, here we go. No fallout. I mean, Jouer just, oh my God, they just kill it, you know? They kill it. And then, you know, to just kind of make sure everything is where it ought to be, I am gonna do this. And I'm actually gonna line down here. I've got an alter ego, just a flat shader brush, and I'm taking the pencil, my lower lash line, and bringing it to the corner. Wander Beauty has a mascara set, so you can do, you can try all three if you haven't yet. And they just came out with this upgraded lash. I love it. I'm going to put that on, and I'm going to put my eyebrows on off camera. Come back and I'll do highlighter and lips. All right, mascara and brows are done. So I'm wearing pink, and sometimes for holiday, I like to wear pinks with a red lip. There's something about that juxtaposition, if you will. So I'm going to actually use this L'Oreal. This is a matte Color Reach liner, and it is in shade 100, Manhattan. something matte in Manhattan. This Wet n Wild lipstick is so good. So yeah, the packaging is kind of, you know, it's drugstore. This is the shade, need my glasses again. Crimson Crime. So this is the cream version of the Wet n Wild. They've got the black tube is matte and the white tube is. So you can see how this one is a little more blue. And I'm gonna do a reddish based liner, you'll see. Highlighter, you guys, I am so excited to put on this highlighter, and this is bougie. I treated myself. I don't have very many Chantecaille pieces, but I picked this out, and it's the one with that embossed, look at the surface on that. But the beauty is if it's on sale, right? It's on sale. It's on sale. So I'm gonna take a $1.50 brush in my $80 highlighter. Let's just kind of, I'm gonna swatch this shade. Like if you bring it together, it's just this wash of, it doesn't even swatch on my arm. It's so, is it a little glittery? Maybe. Let's try, I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try my Real Techniques brush. It's so pretty. We are talking, this is a Martin Sheen. Yeah, very subtle, but beautiful, right? You can really, really put it. And when is, Chantecaille is never like on sale. So if you can find it, if there's going to be a deal where you can get a percentage off, take it. I think we're done. Ooh. I like how this turned out. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video, and thank you to any company that sent me anything. If I have a discount code or there's any deals going on, I will list them below. Please check the description box because there will be links to shop. And hey, if I get a little commission and you save a little money, isn't that great? Yeah, and thanks so much. Take care. And if you don't want to do any shopping, I totally get that. I hope this was just fun to watch me play with makeup. You know, talk about the sheen scale. I'll see you next time. Bye.